Last lecture I told that some definition of matrices till symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. We will discuss some more matrices using numericals also. So here next definition of is that complex matrix. In complex matrix, if at least one element of a matrix is a complex number a plus ib, where a and b are real and I is equal to the under root of -1, then the matrix is called a complex matrix. For example, here 2 cross 2 matrix. First row is 2 plus 3i minus 7i, and second row is 5 1 minus I. Then this matrix is known as complex matrix. So we see here the complex number is 2 plus 3i and minus 7i, and here 5 is also a complex number. We will write this 5 plus 0i. Then this is also a complex number written this, and also this is a real number, and 1 minus I is also complex number. So this matrix is known as complex matrix. Then second definition is conjugate matrix. You know conjugate matrix, the matrix formed by replacing the elements of a matrix by their respective conjugate numbers is called conjugate of matrix A, and it is denoted by A bar. Thus matrix A is equal to the 2 plus 3i minus 7i and 5 1 minus I. So here conjugate of matrix is, here 2 plus 3i is conjugate is 2 minus 3i, and minus 7i is conjugate is 7i, and 5 is conjugate is 5, and 1 minus I is conjugate of 1 plus I. So here it is denoted by A bar. Thus A bar is equal to the 2 minus 3i, 7i, 5 and 1 plus I. Then my next definition is conjugate transpose of matrix A. Here the conjugate transpose of matrix A, it is denoted by A to the power theta, and we write this firstly, we write the matrix A, and first is we write the transpose of A, and then we will write transpose conjugate of transpose of A. So it is denoted by A to the power theta is equal to the A to the power A dash to bar. So my next definition is unitary matrix. You know unitary matrix. We erase this. Unitary matrix. I square matrix A, I square matrix A is said to be unitary matrix if A to the power theta dot A is equal to the A dot A to the power theta is equal to the I. This is the condition of unitary matrix. We fulfill this condition, then matrix A is known as unitary matrix, where I is an identity matrix, where I is an identity matrix you know identity matrix, all the diagonal elements are 1 and non-diagonal elements are 0, then it is known as identity matrix. So first this we find the given matrix A, we will find a to the power theta and the dot product of a to the power theta dot A is equal to the I, then it is known as matrix A is unitary matrix. For example, here A is equal to the 1 upon 2, 1 plus I, then minus 1 plus I, then 1 plus I, then 1 minus I. This matrix A is 1 upon 2, 1 plus I, minus 1 plus I, 1 plus I, 1 minus I. We prove this matrix A is unitary matrix. So we solve it, this numerical. We solve it this numerical and prove that or show that a to the power A is a unitary matrix. Firstly we find A dash. A dash is equal to the 1 upon 2. A dash means transpose of the matrix A, and transpose of the matrix A is here matrix A is first row is 1 plus I, minus 1 plus I, we write first column 1 plus I and minus 1 plus I, and here matrix A is second row 1 plus I, 1 minus I, and we write second column 1 plus I and 1 minus I. This is the transpose of the matrix. And then we write A bar, it means A to the power theta, A dash to the power bar. It means conjugate of matrix A dash. It means conjugate of matrix A dash. So we have 1 upon 2, 1 minus 1 plus I, is conjugate is 1 minus I. Here also 1 plus I is conjugate is 1 minus I, and minus 1 plus I is conjugate is minus 1 minus I, and 1 plus I is conjugate is 1 plus I. So this is the matrix is known as conjugate transpose of matrix A, and it is denoted by A to the power theta. We proceed this. A to the power theta dot A, it means that multiplication of matrix. Here A to the power theta is 1 by 2, 1 minus I, then 1 minus I, then minus 1 minus I, then 1 plus I dot 1 by 2, and here is A is 1 plus I, and here is 1 plus I and minus 1 plus I, then 1 plus I or 1 minus I. So we find this multiplication of matrix. In multiplication of matrix, here order is 2 cos 2 and here order is 2 cos 2. So multiplication is possible. So we have 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. We solve this first row and here is first column, corresponding multiplication. 1 plus I, 1 minus I into 1 plus I and plus 1 minus I, then 1 plus I plus then 1 minus I, 1 plus I, then next first row and second column. First row and second column, it means that 1 minus I and minus 1 plus I, then plus 1 minus I, 1 minus I, 1 minus I and 1 minus I. We will continue this lecture in next lecture. So please, thank you.